Hello, today I am going to explain the first experiment of Unix lab. The first question is, list the contents of user's home directory including the hidden files. For that you have to use the command ls space -a, which displays all the directories available and also the hidden directories. For example, .sneha and .mozilla are all hidden directories. Second question is, list the content of /var directory. For this you have to change the directory to /var, that is cd space /var, so it goes to var directory, and then you have to use command ls, which displays all the files in that directory. Third question is to create two directories of the name directory 1 and directory 2. For that you have to use the command mkdir directory 1 and press enter, and then for the same, and for directory 2 you have to use same command. Fourth question is create a hidden directory with your name. So mkdir dot snehashaji, so the dot makes the directory as a hidden directory. Fifth question is to change the directory to directory 1. For that you have to just type cd space name of the directory, that is directory 1. Sixth question, copy the file /etc/password file to the current directory with sample.txt as the file name. For that, first you have to change the directory to directory 1. Then you have to use the command cp name of the file and the file to be copied to. That's all. So all the content of etc password will be copied to sample.txt. Then change to your home directory and use pw command to check if you are in a home directory. For that, first use the command cd to go to the home directory, and then type pwd, and then your register number will be displayed, which confirms that you are in the home directory. Then eighth question is create a text file with various data, and then display the student name who is having the research interest as grid computing. So for that we have to use the command grep grid test1.txt. so what this does is it shows all the data whose interest is grid computing. So this is the name of the student, the register number, and his field of interest. As you can see, all the field of interest is grid computing. This next bit is list all the student names and register number in the class. For that here we need only two columns, that is only the name and the register number. For that we use the command cut space -f space 1,2 test1,text. So 1,2 is row 1, column 1 and column 2. Here column 1 is name and column 2 is register number. Ninth question is display the contents of file test1 without any blank lines. For that you have to just use cat space -b test1.txt. It displays all the data of that file without any blank lines. Move the file sample.txt from directory 1 to directory 2. So first you have to change to directory 1, then check if the file is present. For that use ls, and then you have to use the command move sample1.txt and then the path of directory 2. Then you have to change to directory 2 and check if that file is present. Here when we change to directory 2 and then check, we get the sample1.txt, that is it first it was in directory 1, now it is in directory 2. Change the directory to directory 2, check whether the sample1.txt is present there. Now 13th question is rename the file sample.txt to new.txt and check whether sample.txt is there or not. So for that we do the command we use is move sample1.txt space new1.txt. What this does is it moves all the content from sample1 to new1.txt, then we can use the command ls, and now we have new1.text. So here the sample1.text is not present. 14th question is display the calendar of December 2020. For that, use the command cal 12, that is number of the month, and then 2020, that is the year. So here December 2020 calendar will be displayed. 15th question is remove the directory 1. For that, we have to move to the home directory and then use the command rm space -r space directory1, and the directory1 will be removed. Then display last 3 lines of the file test1.text. For that, you have to use the command tail space -n space 3 test1.text. 3 is the number of lines that we have to display from the file. So here the data from the file will be displayed. Now display all the commands you have executed so far and save the list to a file named today.history. So what we have to do is history cat history file /l wc That's all. Thank you.